What's up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee.
And here's the Catskill News. Catskill's representing in sectionals.
Boys soccer in the section finals.
Girls volleyball as well.
Hopefully heading to states.
Winning.
Let's go Cats.
Catskill CTE program hit another milestone with the New York State approval of the graphic design pathway. Congratulations to Mr. McDonald and the rest of the CTE team.
Seniors are selling Krispy Kreme glazed donuts. A box of a dozen donuts is $10. Orders and payments are due by Thursday, November 3rd. Donuts will be delivered on Tuesday, November 8th.
Here's Hudson with another installment of This Week in Catskill History.
Hello, this is Hudson with a look into Catskill history. We are looking into the very foundation of this very town. The area of Catskill was originally purposed from the indigenous peoples in 1670 from the Netherlands. The first settler was Derek Tunis van Wijchen. He built the first house here in 1680. The town was later established on March 7th, 1780 as a part of Albany County. Later, when Greene County was formed on March 25th, 1800, Catskill became a part of that new county. This is Hudson with a look at the Catskill history.
Thanks, Hudson. It's always nice to learn something new about our community.
Columbia Green Community College will be hosting a FAFSA completion day on Saturday, November 5th in the Success Center Computer Labs from 9 to noon. Professional assistance on the important application.
Congrats to Miss Steenburn on receiving September's Employee of the Month honor. We are so lucky to have her here.
What do you appreciate about Miss Steenburn?
She's a very loving and caring teacher, and she's always there when you need her.
I appreciate her always being there for me, always making sure I do my work on time.
I mean, she always helps people out when they need it. If I ever need a place to go because I'm having a bad day, she lets me stay in her room.
She's really nice.
The comments about her speak volumes to her character and work ethic. Thank you for all you do.
Seniors, get your photos and quotes to Miss Maggio by November 11th and baby ads by November 15th.
Our school hosted the Out of the Darkness Campus Walk. Our student leaders are strong advocates and prevention educators.
Hi, I'm Sandra Goldmer. I'm the area director for the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, and we were so excited to have this satellite version of our Columbia Green Walk here at Catskill High School. And it allowed us to talk to the kids about mental health, have them share how mental health has touched their lives, and remind them that it's okay to not be okay and that they should always feel comfortable reaching out for help.
Hi, I'm Miss Clancy from Catskill High School, the Yellow Ribbon Program, which is Catskill Teen Suicide Prevention. And as always, the Yellow Ribbon members have promoted a awareness event about increasing awareness about suicide prevention and also just about starting the conversation and talking about mental health and its importance.
1 in 5 people in the world suffer with mental illness, but 5 out of 5 have mental health. And so it's important no matter what for people to recognize mental health and support themselves and others in mental health, even if it's not suicide. Everybody is affected in some way by mental illness or mental health, and this walk is a way for people to support that and show their support.
Such an important event held at Catskill.
Here's Mr. Shah with his weekly address to our students and community.
Hey, Catskill High School, it's Mr. Shah. Halloween is on Monday. We can't wait to see all of you here. If you want to wear a costume, make sure it's school appropriate. If you're concerned or don't know what to do, ask one of us. We can steer you in the right direction. After this week, we have 1 week left until the quarter is over. Make sure all of your work is turned in, talk to your teachers, because once the grades are submitted, they're in, and then we start quarter 2 shortly after. If you have any questions to your teachers or one of us or your school counselor. That's all we have for today. Have an outstanding day, weekend, and as always, go Cats. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shah.
The National Honor Society Red Cross Blood Drive will be Thursday, November 3rd.
Save life, give blood.
Catskill High School National Honor Society is hosting the annual Red Cross Blood Drive in the Catskill High School gym on Thursday, November 3rd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. All students and community members are encouraged to make a donation for this important cause. The CHS Honor Society Red Cross Blood Drive at the CHS gym on Thursday, November 3rd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Please support this important life-saving event.
Save life, give blood.
Let's all plan to make this important donation.
The Catskill Staff Basketball Showdown is on Thursday, November 10th at 6 p.m. in the CHS gym.
I get excited about this game every year, but I'm more excited this year because I've been down in there at the high school scouting around, and I just don't see the talent. Elementary is probably going to win this game rather easily. You know, the guys down here are getting old, and I watched a couple of their workouts, and just very not impressive to me at all. I played in the game for years, but I'm going to go and I'm going to be an assistant coach at the elementary. I don't think I'm needed this year. That's how bad the high school looks this year. And I'm going to sit back and enjoy the victory for the elementary.
Just want to be aware that everyone knows where the cup is right now. The cup resides in the elementary campus, and we think it's going to stay there. We have a old roster. We've got Mr. Hernandez, Mr. Gonzalez from the old team. Got Coach Ivory's on the team this year. I know the elementary's added a couple of young guns, a couple guys from Saugerties. But we've got this walk-on. He hangs out in the library a lot. He likes to read. And from what I understand, he's shooting 100 free throws a night, and he's making 9 of them. So the offense is going to run through him.
Went out, and I actually shot at basketball for the first time in I don't know how many years. So I plan on doing it again before the next game. I have a lot of emotions going on. This is my first time going through this game. Hopefully it's fun.
Is that it's game time?
Get your tickets now.
Our CES is asking for everyone to bring a box of cereal to the game for a chance at being drawn for the half-court shot during halftime. The cereal will be donated to Matthew 25. If you are chosen to shoot the half-court shot and you make it, you'll receive a $500 from Sawyer Motors.
Here is a CNC Sports Report.
Welcome back, Cats Nation. This week we're doing something a little bit different because we have a short sports report, and we're going to treat it just like our podcast. So at the moment of recording, today actually, Wednesday, the girls volleyball team is opening up their sectional schedule, and I think we all really had them going pretty far. I think they're a top seed. The girls have played well.
Yeah, they have.
Go Cats.
I don't know where they play tonight. I really don't.
It's home.
Is it home?
Yeah, it's home.
Yeah, home game.
So yeah, they're a high seed then if they got a home game.
Yeah.
So let's go girls, and hopefully we'll report on you, soon, and a big victory.
Yep. The boys soccer team plays second in Patroons. Ended up losing to Maple Hill 2-1, but it is what it is. We're bouncing back in sectionals.
And then sectionals play started for the boys soccer team. The first game was home. We won against Tamarack. And then the second game was home again, and we beat Greenville.
Again.
Yeah.
For the third time.
In a row.
Yep.
Rough one.
What was the last time that we had a home game?
2017.
Yeah, the last home game in sectionals was 2017, so it was a big thing. And then the other night we beat Ichabod Crane 1-0 to move on to the finals against Mechanicville.
Josue's goal was
a
masterpiece.
It was beautiful.
Check it out on the news.
Yeah.
You said you play Mechanicville now, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So,
high hopes.
High hopes.
It's going to be a good game.
What seed are they?
They're the first.
All right, that's what
we're the third. But seeding really doesn't matter because obviously Ichabod was ranked above us at the 2 seed and we knocked them off. So.
Yep.
But we're the second Catskill team ever to make it to the the sectional finals.
It's been 20 years since the last time, so
that's nuts.
Big things.
And they ended up losing 2-0 in the finals. So
I wonder who they played.
It was that was in the semis in 2015 or 5 years ago. They lost.
So the boys making some history. That's it for this week. Now we're going to include a clip of what Gavin produced, and we'll hear what he has to say.
On Monday night, the boys soccer team faced the Catskill Richmondville Bulldogs for their senior night. Before the game, there was a ceremony held congratulating the boys. Every year, it is a touching ceremony as the boys play their last scheduled home game of their high school career. The boys ended up outplaying the Bulldogs with a 4-1 victory. Rogan Byrne contributed 2, and also Dominic Lanudo and Carlos Lemus scored 1 each. Congratulations to Carter, Danny, Nate, Xander, Owen, and David on your fantastic senior season.
3, 2, 1. Cats Nation, let's ride.
Here's Matthias and Ari with the Catskill Weather Report.
I'm Ari.
And it's Matthias.
And here's your weekend weather.
Friday, there will be a high of 56 and a low of 36 with partly cloudy skies.
Yeah, we're putting that in.
Birthday dab. On Saturday, there'll be a high of 60 and a low of 33 with sunny skies.
Sunday, there will be a high of 62 and a low of 35 with partly cloudy skies. I'm Matthias.
I'm Ari. And that's your weekend weather.
What's a zombie's favorite cereal?
I don't know. What?
Rice Krispies.
You get it? Yeah, that was funny.
Thanks for watching Catscan and Catsville.